The LSBABQ built-in 40-inch grill cover is engineered to provide premium, heavy-duty protection for your high-end outdoor cooking equipment, specifically tailored to fit Blaze 40-inch 5-burner gas grills as well as other similarly sized built-in gas models. This cover ensures a snug and secure fit. Constructed from high-density 600D marine-grade polyester fabric, it offers exceptional durability that resists tearing and wearing over time. The robust material acts as a formidable barrier against diverse environmental threats, making it an indispensable accessory for anyone maintaining an outdoor kitchen setup. Weatherproof performance is a hallmark of the LSBABQ built-in 40-inch grill cover, featuring an advanced waterproof coating that shields your grill from rain, snow, and moisture. The fabric is also treated with UV-resistant inhibitors to prevent fading and cracking under prolonged sun exposure, ensuring the cover retains its strength and appearance through all seasons. To prevent moisture buildup and subsequent rust, the cover incorporates strategically placed air vents that promote proper ventilation while blocking dust, dirt, and bird droppings from settling on your grill surface. Practicality and ease of use are central to the design of the LSBABQ built-in 40-inch grill cover, which comes equipped with sturdy, reinforced handles for effortless installation and removal. These handles allow homeowners to quickly uncover their grill for spontaneous cookouts or secure it back in place once the unit has cooled down. Additionally, adjustable fastening straps or drawstrings ensure that the cover remains firmly anchored even during high winds and severe storms. By investing in this tailored protective shield, you effectively prolong the lifespan of your built-in grill and keep your outdoor culinary station looking pristine. Pros: highly rated with 4.6 stars, perfectly fits Blaze 40-inch grills, fits other similar sized grills, made of high-quality 600D fabric, fade-resistant and tear-resistant material, waterproof for excellent rain resistance, withstands harsh outdoor environments, offers reliable all-weather protection, wind-resistant to stay secure, dustproof, keeps the grill clean, resists UV rays and snow, ensures years of worry-free protection, provides complete and precise coverage, ensures a snug, effective fit, shields every part from elements. Installing the cover is breeze, features a handle for usage, stays securely in place, cleaning is very simple, wipes clean with damp cloth. Multiple sizing options available. Cons: no featured offers available, requires manual size checking, only fits specific grill dimensions, limited color options mentioned, requires manual wiping to clean. Features: built-in grill cover, fits Blaze 40-inch grills, fits 5-burner gas grills, heavy-duty 600D. Material: waterproof outdoor cover, includes convenient handle, designed for outdoor kitchens. The LSBABQ built-in 40-inch grill cover is engineered to provide premium, heavy-duty protection for your high-end outdoor cooking equipment, specifically tailored to fit Blaze 40-inch 5-burner gas grills as well as other similarly sized built-in gas models. This cover ensures a snug and secure fit. Constructed from high-density 600D marine-grade polyester fabric, it offers exceptional durability that resists tearing and wearing over time. The robust material acts as a formidable barrier against diverse environmental threats, making it an indispensable accessory for anyone maintaining an outdoor kitchen setup. The LSBABQ built-in grill cover for Blaze 40-inch 5-burner and other similar-sized gas grills is highly rated at 4.6 stars, offering a precise, snug fit with easy installation and a convenient handle. Constructed from high-quality, fade-resistant, and tear-resistant 600D fabric, it provides reliable all-weather, UV, and wind-resistant protection that keeps your outdoor kitchen equipment shielded from rain, snow, and dust for years. Maintenance is simple as the cover easily wipes clean with a damp cloth, and multiple sizing options are available to ensure the right fit. However, potential buyers should note that there are currently no featured offers available, and the cover only fits specific dimensions, which requires manual size checking before purchase. Additionally, color options are limited, and cleaning must be done manually by wiping it down.